So today I have this Acer video monitor LED, and it's a model S230Hl, 19 volts, 2.1 amps, and it's totally dead. So here's the AC adapter. So let's go ahead and test this AC adapter and see if it's putting out any voltage before we even get started tearing the monitor apart. Because if it's just simply this little AC adapter is being the problem, then let's take care of that first. It's plugged into AC right now, and I have no indicator whatsoever that this unit is working. So let's get the fluke out and we'll test the voltage coming out of it and see if it's putting out any voltage before we tear the monitor apart. So I have my 117 on DC volts, and I'm just going to probe the ends here, and I've got absolutely nothing. Let's put it on ohms. Let's reverse it. See if I get a filter capacitor charging. And I do see capacitor in there charging. But I have no output whatsoever. Nothing. So let's tear the unit apart and see what's going on inside here. So I've removed the plastic case from the AC adapter. Now it has a metal shield all the way around it, so let's go ahead and cut the tape. Just take this metal RF shielding off. It has one soldered tab on it right here. There we go. So I see a filter cap right here and another little cap right there, 33 at 35 volts. The main filter cap right here. So let's go ahead and ESR those guys and see how they check. So I'll check the output filter first. And it checks 1.5 ohms. Let's make sure I'm at 0. Yeah, that's good. 1.5 ohms is definitely bad. Oh, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is definitely bulged. It's got a puffy top. So let's go ahead and check this little 33 microfarad capacitor. It seems to test good, pretty close to 0. Well, let's go ahead and change that cap and see what happens. Let me get the Hacko warmed up and we'll go ahead and change it. Alright, it's unsoldered. It's probably glued down. Oh, there it comes. So now let's go ahead and ESR it out of the circuit. Oh, it's like 3.5 ohms. That baby's definitely bad. 680 at 25 volts. Let's see if I got one. So the one I have is a 680 at 25 volts. So let's go ahead and do a quick ESR on it. 0 ohms. That's what I'm looking for. It's a little bit taller than the old one was, so I don't know if the case will go around it or not, but we'll find out. Let's go ahead and put it in here and see what happens. There it is, tacked in place. Trim the leads. Alright, so let's go ahead and power it up. Don't know if you can see it or not, but the green LED lit up. Let me turn the light off. You can see the LED right here is lit now. So let me get the fluke. We'll set it out here where you can see the display. Put it on volts. .08 volts. That's good. Let's plug it into the monitor and see if it lights up now. Could it be something as simple as a bad filter cap the whole time? We'll know in a second. Alright, so I have the power supply sitting up on top of the monitor. Let's go ahead and power it up. We get a blue light over here. And we get the Acer logo. Energy star. I would say it's working. Cable not connected. Well, that's much more than we had before. Let's go ahead and put a signal into it and see if we get a picture. I have a DVD player connected to it with a homemade video. Let me let it load. A little bit of driving around in my old square body Chevy truck I used to have. Anyhow, that's it. It's working. I just got to go ahead and put this back together. I think it's going to be good. It's playing just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Acer video monitor repair. If this video has helped you, please consider making a donation to my YouTube homepage with the PayPal donate button or at paypal.me/NorCal715. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. Remember, with your help, we can keep these things out of the landfill and out of the recycle bin. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.